Happy good morning!
Good morning!
Hey Sunny, did you know we've officially been on YouTube for 1 year?
So it's kind of like my birthday.
Yeah, I guess so.
Let's make some birthday cards to celebrate.
Great idea, Sunny.
Yay! Let's get started!
We're going to make 15 different card designs using the same supplies. I'm using some metallic paper and metallic pens to help make these cards look really festive. Let's cut out some balloons. I'm using my Cricut machine with the basic George Shapes cartridge. You can cut out your own by hand. We're starting out with a 5x7 blank card. Let's add a 4x6 inch piece of cardstock. I'm using a white paint poster marker around one half of the balloon to create a shadow effect. To attach the balloons to the cards, I'm using foam mounting squares and photo squares to give the balloons various heights. Next, we'll add some shiny spots on the balloons and add the words,
Happy birthday!
That's right, Sunny. Finally, draw on the balloon strings and add some colorful confetti. I love how this blue background looks like the balloons are floating in the sky.
I love it too!
For a super simple card design, you can just add balloons and draw on basic balloon strings for a quick and easy card. Add a bright color background and decorate with whimsical doodles.
Oh, I love the yellow color!
Here I added a layer of paper along with a matching metallic border. For some added bling, decorate the corners with twinkling rhinestones. I love the look of our demo cards so much, I decided to cut out a frame and attach some clouds. Use foam squares for added dimension. Attach some real string for an authentic look. Frame out a blank white card with red and blue metallic paper. Add red, white, and blue and gold accents for a perfect patriotic look. I used a solid green card and drew on the border with metallic pens. Add hearts, stars, and squiggles for some fun and cute confetti. Instead of using a black pen for balloon strings, I opted for white and added some decorative touches. I really like the vertical look of this card, along with the adorable balloon strings. Here's another example of using a solid colored card. Attach a raised white border with the help of some foam squares and add some confetti accents for a fun birthday look. Celebrate with a circle.
That's an oval!
Oh right, an oval. Here I used blue paper and decorated with blue birthday trimmings. I love the idea of these balloons floating way up in the clouds. Use cotton balls to give your card a super spectacular sky-like look. Okay, Sunny, now we really are decorating with circles.
Those look like bubbles.
Alright, decorate your card with some beautiful birthday baubles and bubbles.
Ooh, glitter!
Glitter and sparkles, shiny and twinkles favorites. Here I added some white thread and tied all the balloon strings together and decorated with some dazzling purple stars. Do you really want to make your glitzy gel pens pop? Use a blank black card and add a shiny metallic border. This type of card is perfect for teens or someone who's over the hill. Remember to decorate your envelopes to match your cards. Use a rainbow of colors or mix and match for a monochrome theme. Which birthday card was your favorite? Leave your answer in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching, subscribing, commenting, sharing, and supporting our channel in its first year. We hope you have a sweet, charming day, and we'll see you again next time for more amazing craft ideas.
Happy crafting!